got an Amiga 500 that I purchased locally, 500 plus. It's yellowed over time, as most of them do. I've had a go at retrobiting the case. I've done half the case, I've got another half to do. If you have a look down here, you can see the bottom half still needs doing, but that's the difference between the top and the bottom. Now I'm having a go at the keys. This is what the keys used to look like, very yellow. So for the keys, I'm trying this method. So for the case, I covered it in hydrogen peroxide paste and left it under a UV lamp for a couple of days. But for the keys, I'm using hydrogen peroxide, 12%. I've placed it in this top pan, so the keys are all upside down in here, and in there is hydrogen peroxide. I'm trying to keep it around 50 degrees. So if I have a quick look at the temperature at the moment, see if you can see this, about 56 at the moment. 55 would be ideal. So 55 over there, 55. So that's okay. It's getting a little bit high, but that's alright. Other people that have tried this have had problems regulating the temperature, so I've decided to try and create a water bath. So underneath that pan, there's another pan. That pan's full of water. That seems to be sitting at around 66, 67. And that just helps regulate the temperature in that top bath. So I'm going to leave those in for just over 3 hours, and then I'll come back and post the results. One thing I did forget to mention is that when you're doing this, obviously this stuff is very hazardous. If you are going to do it, make sure that you wear protective gear. I've got windows open, I've got doors open, and I've turned it off for the video, but I've also got the extractor fan running on max as well.
And this is what they look like after. Massive difference from where we started. This is what they were like originally, and this is what they were like after their bath. Big difference, a lot cleaner, a lot wider. Really happy.